Street photography and black and white are an amazing combination, but what if there are times when the color image just is better for whatever reason? I'd like to go through my decision-making parameters to help you decide when to use color and when to use black and white. So first of all, this was the place that I would buy baklava every single day while in Athens. And I saw this man walking by and I just thought that he looks really interesting and actually a very, I guess you would say, a gentleman, because he was wearing clothes that he chose. He had a sense of style, loved his beard and his hair. And I thought, you know what? In street photography, I love to photograph people who have a sense of themselves. And I thought this guy did. So I said, well, maybe I could photograph him from outside because I was out on the street at that time. And he was actually purchasing baklava and choosing which one to buy next. Now, let's take a look at this picture in black and white. Now, the important thing here is that the secondary subject, in my mind actually, is the baklava. It's the treats, it's the bakery items. So when we're in the black and white mode, we can't really define the very thing that he's looking for. In fact, part of the storyline to this picture is the concentration on his face as he's deciding which other treats to purchase. So this is important. So like I said, in the black and white, I kind of lose this. So I feel that I have to keep it as a color picture. And I actually like it as a color picture anyway, so that's not a problem. So the takeaway for me, and hopefully for you, is that whenever we have a situation where we lose context or we lose meaning or the ability to understand the picture quickly or the ability to understand the picture, then maybe it's better to be in color, because when we're in color we can actually discern, okay, this is a blank or this is a blank, or in fact in this picture this is Greek bakery like baklava. So that's how I choose. Most of my pictures are in black and white for street photography, unless I specifically feel that the picture's not working out because the people who view my picture can't discern the secondary subject, or we would sometimes call it the supporting element. Hope that helps, and please check back for another lesson tomorrow. And as always, if you feel this was really useful, please share this with your friends, this little video. I love to get all of these out to as many people as possible. And also, if you're interested in coming to Greece with me, I do annual Greece photo and video workshops with my brother Greg Hemmings. So please check out markhemmings.com, and I'll see you in the next video.